Peace and blessings on the chillin'. How hunnuh be? This shit the Queen Quet head pun the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Now hunnuh chillin' know if I go in live, it's something you need to yeddi any. Okay. So y'all remember over 10,000 of hunnuh chillin' joined me for stop the Destructionment of Bay Point right off of Helena Island in the Gullah Geechee Nation. Well, I want you to know, them joker done withdraw from appealing one more again. They've been appeal, they've been appeal, they've been appeal, we've been a win, we've been a win, we've been a win. They know we ain't gonna win again, so they just withdraw the appeal for I got on my plan for coming here. If hunnuh chillin' see all these things, the chin behind me and things like that, because I had another United Nations conference and things like that. But I had to come upon you and first say, happy Black Her Story Month. Happy Omen Her Story Month to all of hunnuh chillin'. But ladies, what join me in this your fight, I especially salute you and things like that. And so glad that you joined me, Queen Quet, to who I be, of the Gullah Geechee Nation, you see. Them islands from Jacksonville, North Carolina to Jacksonville, Florida, we hauling upon them, yeah? Because all of hunnuh chillin' who support the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition and Gullah Geechee Fishing Association and rather us, the citizens of the Gullah Geechee Nation, they let them back and thing know we ain't been want them for come build on we sea islands no more. No more of these golf courses, no more resort, none of this shit thing, no kind of way they twist up your name. So we went in court for Bay Point. Thank y'all for all the support. Thank you for the donations and things like that to the Gullah Geechee Land and Legacy Fund. Thank you for all of the help that y'all give to that. But guess what? The fight ain't over. As now next cracky bunch done come won't go on the other side of the island. They won't go on Pine Island in St. Helena. Now, we done got the CPO group working. I had a chair that the Cultural Protection Overlay District group for St. Helena Island. We're working on everything with the CPO law. But in the meantime, me yeddi say the other day, some other rest of people, one would look like this your color, but the act other kind of way, who on the Bluffton Town Council, going to Beaufort County Council for say that this year Destructionment that they want to put on Pine Island and St. Helena is so to help the community, that they want to work with the community, they want to help us. The way you help me is stay off St. Helena Island. Ain't nobody send for you to come to St. Helena Island with no kind of gated area, no kind of golf course, no kind of franchise, big box store, none of them kind of thing. Because all them kind of thing then put pressure not only upon the environment what they did, and upon the infrastructure like the roads and thing what they did, and on the tax base so we were been there, but that means a destructionment for displacement. So, April the 10th, I want everybody who support me, who support the Gullah Geechee Nation, who part of the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition, make your way to Beaufort County, South Carolina, April 10th. I going back downtown before Beaufort County Council for let them know one more again for the record. We ain't want nobody putting no resort, puns and telling them no place, no golf course, puns and telling them no place, because all they could do is damage the environment. Now you see where I be? Y'all see what's going on right here next to me? Y'all see them beautiful creature and things that swim up and things like that in the ocean? We trying to protect them. So how we can protect them and build these kind of things would add to ocean acidification and all kind of other rest of things, all upon these low-lying islands where climate change the impact before it impact anybody else in the world. Now the rest of people around the world overstand this shit. That's why I understand where I deal right now. Okay? But I ain't know what wrong with these other rest of people what did in the U.S. who to set sight upon we islands. But they can turn the eye next week because we ain't sent for them to come to St. Helena today or no other day. So I gonna want y'all put April 10th on your calendar. I need everybody for come to Beaufort County April 10th for support we one more again. Fill up Beaufort County Council chambers for let these people know we ain't to play with them. The Cultural Protection Overlay District for St. Helena Island need for stand. And it do not involve having no resort and thing that tall. Just a way for get in and push we out. Okay? So we go hold upon we land, we go hold upon we culture. And I said thank you to all of hunnuh chillin'. Keep going over to change.org. I can make sure on we Facebook fan page, we can put the petition back on there. Because the same way y'all had over 10,000 signatures for me turning against Bay Point, I want to turn in 10,000 signatures when I get back to April 10th, one more again. The first meeting, I turn in 5,000. Second meeting, I turn in more 7,000. Easy for y'all to get to 10,000. I ain't first check them lately. You might done did it, okay? So even if it is, keep on going, yeah? Y'all go to change.org and make sure y'all sign a petition that say, save the Gullah Geechee Cultural Protection Overlay District for St. Helena Island. I can post them on we page, y'all on Facebook. And rather us, I go tweet them out again at Gullah Geechee. Now, I done learned y'all how to spell them before, but let me tell you again. G-U-L-L-A-H, G-E-E-C-H-E-E, and no I in Geechee if it a we, okay? And this about we land, this about we see. So we have a whole upon them. But y'all stick with me and work together, children, and we could keep we culture going right there in the Gullah Geechee Nation. So I know y'all knows and y'all will know where I at. I ain't gonna tell you yet. Y'all keep following the Instagram at Gullah Geechee, the Twitter at Gullah Geechee, and rather us right here on Facebook. And soon y'all will know where I be. But just know this year, I fighting for all of we. This ain't for me, okay? This for the generation now, and then what a kind hind we, yeah? But if you don't do nothing now, who see a next generation are coming? So we have to protect the land and the sea. We calling this shit thing internationally 30 by 30. I'm working on the same thing in South Kakalaki. I own the South Carolina Office of Resilience Cultural Committee, Cultural Resource Committee, because everybody want to talk about the land, but they ain't necessarily to talk about the culture. We have to live with culture. And the only way we can do that is we got the land, we got the water, and everything healthy for we and for we chillin' will come in behind we. So the only way we doing is the way we ancestors been doing. And they ain't never had to play no golf. In fact, the first golf I even learned say been wrong in first golf course, interesting enough, been a Bon Silence. There had been a slavery place. There had been a fort where they enslaved we dead and had the nerve for golf while they had people there. So why we want them for slave we where we be? Now y'all know there ain't none of we. Hunnuh think free, hunnuh be free, we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. So I want to say one more again, thank you to all we partners, South Carolina Coastal Conservation League, our lawyers, South Carolina Environmental Legal Project. We thank you for sticking in the fight for do what right, okay? And thank you to all the hunnuh children who have signed the petition, share the petition. By April 10th, join me live right there in Beaufort County, South Kakalaki. I can be going live again for then, but let you know what time and the building and everything. But make your plan for be in Beaufort, South Kakalaki downtown on that day and join me there because we got plenty more for say about how to protect the culture of the Gullah Geechee. But thank God that today we can celebrate another victory. So Bear Point, we're glad you got the right mind and you withdraw from wanting to build a resort and thing on Bear Point. But now we need you to talk to them other people and tell them anybody need them for come on the other side of St. Helena Island and try for that neither, okay? Because we ain't gonna sit down and just take them. We gonna fight on just a little while longer. Everything gonna be all right. This year the Queen Quet head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation coming to hunnuh from this year conference with the ocean at the United Nations. And y'all watch GullahGeechee.tv, GullahGeechee.tv. Subscribe, it's free. Watch Gullah Geechee TV, and then y'all will know why I doing out here with the rest of the world and why to do not for me, but for all of we. Peace, blessing, and love, family. This year the Queen Quet, that who I be, head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee.